Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Tuesday, July 13th, 2:10 p.m. New York time. Technology stocks, the leadership of the U.S. stock market. That's what the NASDAQ is, heavily in tech stocks. So let's look at some of the tech stocks in a broad sector of tech stocks. First, we'll look at the communications equipment sector industry of the tech stocks. And we're looking at candles sort of weekly. Since it's Tuesday, that means the far right candle is not completed yet. We're going to identify, are we below the high of the year? Are we in a consolidation? Are we trending? So for this example, here's the low of the year. The momentum's to the upside. Here's the high for the year. It's red candle for the week. We did make a higher high than last week, but we're trading back inside the range of last week. It's in a consolidation phase. Right now, this is good. Let's see if we can find better. Stock symbol, Juliet, November, Papa, Romeo. Next, Cisco, Charlie, Sierra, Charlie, Oscar. High for the year. It did again make a higher high than last week, a higher low, but back inside the range of last week. And in this consolidation area, this is not the best trend. No way. Lots of consolidations, long drawn out consolidations. Versus the other one, shorter consolidations and more trending. Okay. The next one, Charlie, Alpha, Lima, X-ray. Here's the high for the year. And last week was a sell-off, like a stop hunt. And look at that current week, small. And this is sloppy. This is not a momentum trading to the upside. Consolidation, a lot of consolidation, a lot of whipsaw. Not good. Alpha, Romeo, sorry, Echo, Romeo, India, Charlie, Ericsson. Here's the high for the year. And way below it. And been selling off for the past several weeks with this consolidations. Breakdown, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation. Not leadership, not good. On to the next. Nokia, November, Oscar Kilo. Wow. For the current week, we broke above that consolidation. Outstanding. So here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Again, it was one of those Reddick stocks, short squeeze, momentums for that one period. Yep, like AMC, GameStop, that's what happened there. But again, now we had consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. So now the momentum's to the upside. So the trade idea here is, if I was in the stock, I'd be using options and selling put options, maybe around 550 or 5 to collect income for the month. And I explained that very well. And I gave this information on many stocks recently. So you could join my Patreon. The link is below in this video, and you will see this information to earn monthly income. India, November, Sierra, Goff. Not good. Breaking down. Here's the high for the year. That was the opening of the year, and now we're near the low of the year. The momentum's to the inside, downside, not good. Let's go look at some more. Now we'll look at the computer hardware. Lima, Oscar, Goff, India. The high for the year, we sold off in the consolidation and already did not make a higher high, but made a lower low, broke below the low last week. That's not good. Market's at all-time high, and this stock took out the low of last week. That's not leadership. Hotel Papa Quebec. Also, that's not good. Here was the high for the year. Been red since then. Winning consolidation already broke down. Not good leadership. We broke below the low last week, and we're trading below that. There's better ones than this we've already seen. Dell Computer, old school. Delta Echo Lima Lima. Yep. Oof, broke down heavy below this consolidation. Not good. That's not leadership anymore. Whiskey Delta Charlie Western Digital. Yep, right here. It's in a consolidation phase, small trading range, very suspicious. And you had this hard sell off here. So again, one would presume there's more distribution, smart money selling down here. I would not be looking to buy here. I'll be looking for opportunities to trade short. Sierra Tango X-Ray. Yeah, huge sell-off and a retracement. And the retracement is on weakness. That's not good. Okay, let's go on to the next. Now we're looking at the internet content and information stocks. First one, Snap, Sierra, November Alpha, Papa. Here's a high for the year. Here's the low for the year. That's not a big trading range. No. And then from that high, we sold off consolidation, very sloppy. It's not good leadership. And again, we have a sell-off here. Yep, huge red week there and sold off hard, took out the low there. The momentum's to the downside. Golf, Romeo, Uniform, Bravo. Wow, terrible. Here's the high for the year. We're near the lows of the year. Food delivery company, not good. Failure. Pinterest, Papa, India, November, Sierra, as well, struggling. We had that momentum to the upside for the past months. Already did a reverse and selling off now. Momentum's to the downside. Struggling. Couldn't even get above these two swing highs. Twitter, Tango Whiskey, Tango Romeo, high for the year. Had a massive momentum to the upside beginning of the year. And since then, huge trading ranges and sell-off. In these past 3 weeks, looks like distribution, looks like smart money selling. Coming into earnings soon. Yep, the earnings are soon. So we'll see what happens. Earnings are the 22nd this month. After market closes on that day. It certainly looks like institutional money selling here. Groupon, Golf, Romeo, Papa, November, as well, broke down below that consolidation. So we have the food delivery company struggling under distribution. I think we're having the same effect with the ride shares like Uber or Lyft. Interesting. Rotation of smart money. Sierra, Tango, X-Ray. Here's the all-time high. We're coming near to retest it. And we made a higher high, higher low than last week. Be interested to see how this week plays out. If we even close green for the week or even take out that high. Watch this one closely. Plenty of trade ideas out there, especially for day trading. All right, let's go on to the next. Look at the semiconductors. Well, Intel struggling. Yep, huge consolidation. Not leadership. November Victor Delta Alpha, leadership. Last week was the all-time high, and the current candle is inside that range, small trading range. Way off the lows from the year. Alpha Sierra Mike Lima, gunning for that all-time high there. So here's a low for the year. Did a momentum pullback, momentum to the upside with a trend. Broke out as consolidation, another consolidation. So it's looking good here. We'll see what happens again at the end of the week. Is it going to have a follow-through, breakthrough, or pullback? Alpha Victor Golf Oscar. Yeah, not the best. No, massive consolidation for the year. And here we're up here again. As soon as we went up there, already sold off for the week. It's not good. It's struggling. Texas Instruments, Tango Alpha November. So most of the year started off consolidation, finally broke out. And then when it had that momentum to the upside, look at that, reverse pullback, did consolidation. Yeah, it's not the best. Lima, Romeo, Charlie, X-Ray. Yep, also looking sloppy here, not the good momentum. Which one looks hot? Right there. Momentum to the upside. That's good. All the other ones are struggling. Let's go on to the next group of semiconductors. Alpha, Mike, Alpha, Tango. Yeah, it's an acceleration phase and struggling. Not looking good here. There's better. Alpha, Delta, India. No, that's definitely not looking good. You had that all-time high, and then we sold off big inside the acceleration. And now small acceleration. Inside candle, near the midpoint of this candle. Cree, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo. Just terrible. Massive consolidation, lots of whipsaw most of the year. Broke below consolidation. Momentum staircase pattern down. Semiconductor sector struggling. Alpha, Mike, Delta, AMD as well. It's just sloppy. There's better looking ones to this one. Micron, Mike, uniform. Similar pattern like that. Long consolidation, breakdown, long consolidation. So these are not leadership. They're struggling. Qualcomm as well. There's the high for the year. And then since then, just did a massive solid markdown. Consolidation, struggling. Tight trading range. Not doing so well. Let's look at the software. Maybe the software is doing better than the semiconductors. Adobe, Alpha, Delta, Bravo, Echo. Well, outstanding right now. It's in a momentum to the upside. The trend is to the upside. And this current week made an all-time new high. Outstanding. That's good. Yep. Where we did have a consolidation beginning of the year, and then a pullback with a reverse pullback, consolidation, and momentum. Good job if you've gotten in this. Very good. That's good. Charlie, Romeo, Mike. No, it's struggling. Way below the high of last year. That's already got good. Not good. You couldn't even take out the high of this year, of last year yet. Failure. Sure, we are near the high of this year, but below the high of last year. That's not good. India, Tango, uniform. Sorry, India, November, Tango, uniform. All-time high, outstanding. Small trading range. Small trading range. And if it forms like that, that's suspicious. That's a dodgy. If it forms like that, especially if it closes red, we might have a reversal. So watch that with suspicion. I would not be buying up here. Absolutely not. Let's see if it does a trend reversal. Alpha, Delta, Sierra, Kilo. No, it has not been trending. It's been a lot of chop and consolidation this year. It's not strong. It has having failure. Does these consolidations, breakouts, minimum reversals and breakouts? It's a lot of struggle. Not good leadership. Whiskey, Delta, Alpha, Yankee as well. Oof. That high. Sold off hard, did a sloppy consolidation, and then sold off again. Better ones than this. Romeo, November, Goff. Wow. Since the beginning of the year, consolidation from start of last year now popped up, and the momentum's been down, consolidation, down. Yeah, that's not looking good. So take away the software. Well, we know two of them are looking outstanding. Alpha, Delta, Bravo, Echo, and India, November, Tango, uniform, and the ones I showed in the grid before. Okay, let's go on to the next. Look at some more software. Charlie, Oscar, uniform, Papa. Oh, it's terrible. Way off the highs. Hotel, uniform, Bravo, Sierra. Well, we just sold off. That was the high last week, and we're inside this consolidation. It might be distribution here. I'd be very cautious. I would not be buying up here. Yeah. And this momentum's not looking good. It's mostly consolidation, not so trending. Alpha, Victor, Lima, Romeo as well. It's just too much chop in here. Not good consolidation. Uber, wow, uniform, Bravo, Echo, Romeo. Off the highs. This was a wedge. We broke below it. Now we're in consolidation, broke below it. This was a stop hunt and inside candle. So suspicious because did have that stop hunt. Buyer stepped in here again. So this low in consolidation, pull back. Let's see if what's actually going to happen here this current week. Lift, Lima, Yankee, Foxtrot, Tango as well, struggling. So that was the software. And we'll look at the last software infrastructure. Oracle, outstanding, all-time new high. Interesting, when they had these consolidations, they weren't wide, they were tight consolidation, breakout to the upside. That's a lot of wide trading range, breakout to the upside, consolidation, breakout to the upside, and then strong push to the upside. Now it's an all-time high. Again, I would not be buying here. Microsoft, outstanding. Yep, nice momentum to the upside, all-time new high for the week. And BlackBerry, yeah, distribution declining. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.